I know how I feel. I'm not afraid. You make me feel alive. Tarim.
I don't know what that means.
I think you do. What do you know of love? Nothing. What you feel for that dwarf is not real. You think it is love? Are you ready to die for it?
Why does it hurt so much?